Hi, meet Priya Kukreja, Student Recruitment Manager at UniSmarter. Hi, Priya.
Hi Ganga, how are you?
Great, Priya. What is UniSmarter?
So UniSmarter is basically a 14-week program where students can study 4 modules online and they can complete their first semester from their home country, you know. And after completing this first semester, then they can progress to any Navitas college in UK, Australia, or Dubai to complete their degree, right? So I would like to take a minute and give you a brief background on the product, why UniSmarter has been created. So we conducted a survey actually back in 2019 where we found out that a significant proportion of students they struggle when they start their international degrees. And we have seen some brighter students when they do not find enough support, they drop out. And I have seen such cases where they return back to their home countries. It could be a lot of issues when they start an international degree, right? So UniSmarter is a world-class platform that gives you a teaching support. We have our courses are led by the international faculty. We have a team of Indian tutors here, and our aim is to prepare the students so that when they travel and they reach on campus, they have a better chance of succeeding. Right.
Okay, and which destinations and universities can the students choose from?
So that's an exciting point because we call it a multi-exit program. This means that students can choose the different destinations in terms of universities and even the countries after completing one semester in India. So we represent 6 institutes in Australia, like
Mhm.
Tobe, Deakin, SIBT, Ainsbury, Edith Cowan, and Griffith. We have London Brunel International College leading to Brunel in UK. We also
Mhm.
have Murdoch University in Dubai, and we also have two backup options in India, in case somebody completes UniSmarter and due to any personal reason, they decide not to travel abroad, and to stay back in India, they can start in these Indian universities from second semester.
Okay. And how many intakes are available at UniSmarter? What are the entry requirements and documents and all of that?
So we have 6 intakes in a year, and every 7 weeks, basically, we have a new intake starting. Right now, we are working towards our 23rd August intake.
Mhm.
In terms of the entry requirements, it is pretty much the same requirement that is followed by the individual colleges, in different
Mhm.
countries. Like in Australia, it is only 2020 pass outs that are being accepted at UG level. And Australian universities are accepting 55% in 12th. Um, for UK, it is like you can accept 2 to 3 years of gap and 50% in 12th. So a lot of options, and the entry requirement actually will vary from country to country.
Mhm.
So whenever any student is interested, of course, I'll be happy to answer them like one to one. Yeah,
Yeah, of course. And I think you can do that at the live webinar.
absolutely.
All right. So, what is the fee structure? And also, in case there's a visa refusal, what happens then?
So actually, this is one of our major USP. There are tuition fees is 65% less for the first semester. That
Mhm.
gives student a chance of saving 10 lakh rupees upfront, in Indian currency, even before they travel.
Mm.
The entire UG semester, our tuition fees is 2,91,600 plus GST. For PG pre-masters that we offer, it is 3,56,400 plus GST. Yeah.
Okay.
And in case you ask about the visa refusal, so that is again one of the major USP, that even after you have completed UniSmarter, let's say a student has got a refusal, first option would be they can change the country and switch to country B that is available in the portfolio. If not, then we offer them 100% refund. Two, three
Okay.
basic conditions apply, but
Mhm.
full money, including GST, would be refunded.
All right. Wow. And so, how is UniSmarter beneficial for students?
There are a lot of benefits to start with, Ganga. If I have to tell you about the program, then the course curriculum has been designed by SIBT Australia, which
Mhm.
is BICOS approved institutions. It is led by the international faculty from Australia and UK, with the support of complete team of tutors based in India, who are available 7 days a week, and
Mhm.
when the students start a new degree, international degree, they have a lot of questions on daily basis to ask, right? So the good part is this team is available in India. The students can call them any day, any point of time. It's a real-time resolution, we have like they have a turnaround time of 2 hours to resolve a student query. So that's the first benefit. So while you are getting ready for the international education, with the support of the Indian tutors, you can also save money, because as I told you, you can save 10 lakh rupees upfront in the first year, even before you travel. And then, even though the classes, it's an online education for 14 weeks, it's not a Zoom link. It's a professional world-class Moodle platform that has been designed for the students. And then it's a fast track program, which is completed in 14 weeks instead of 6 months. So you save time there. Students can start without IELTS. I think we are the only provider which is letting students start without IELTS. So you can give a
Absolutely.
conditional offer letter. Let's say you are not ready with the GT documents, with IELTS. Let's say you are waiting for your 12th final mark sheet. You can start with pre-boards mark sheet. So we require 3 documents that I missed to mention earlier, and we can get you started. Your academics, passport, and gap evidence. That's it. And of course, 100% refund policies, cherry on the cake. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So do tell students something about the Can-Am relationship with UniSmarter.
See, Canam is a well-known brand, Ganga. If you talk about the overseas education, so even when I was not here, I knew about Canam. Canam is one name which everybody knows about, right?
Thank
You
you.
have a team of expert counselors who know their job, who know what they're doing. And I have heard from a lot of students, even in my previous company, that your team will never guide a student wrong. So, a student can be very confident when they're coming to you. They'll be guided correct, they'll not be given any wrong information. Your team knows what they are doing. They'll be able to offer correct options in terms of universities and the country destination. So, if any student out there looking to apply for international degrees, Canam is the place for you. Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Priya. I'm sure the students enjoyed listening to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And of course, we got to talk about the live webinar. The
Yes.
UniSmarter Navitas live webinar going to be conducted by Can-Am is on 2nd of August at 3:30 p.m. IST. So be in touch with your Can-Am counselor and make sure you attend it. Or you go onto our website and www.canamgroup.com and do register.
See you there.
See you.